Now, small bit of an update on this thing. So with the roof up the other day, we tacked it up, but now we have to screw it down so it's nice and tight and secure. And going along each of the rafters, you can just about see most of them connect on the back side. So how am I doing it? Well, I'm doing it like this. So I've made up these little brackets. They look like this. So on the C channel side, there's a little lip there made. That's made of 1mm galvanized steel. And what happens is, it hooks on. Losing me down. Hooks on into the channel. I don't get installation right. And it slides up and it gets screwed down like those ones. So it's held. Three screws hold it down to the frame. One screw is in the side, the C channel, and then there's a lip 10mm folded over like a little cleat, and that's on that tight. I don't know where I stopped that. Hit the wrong button. Anyway, this is a straight follow one. So that's that clip. But this one is just a straight right angle. Well, 90-degree right angle, if you know what I mean. 3 screws there, 3 screws there. And that's what that looks like. Same thing, 1mm. So that's it. So the ground, all of the rafters, and the roof. Screwed them in. I've almost got the back side done. Now just to finish the front side. That's it. Getting close. Well, probably another 3 months, 4 months maybe, but close-ish.